Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how can we add the load rows button in interactive grid and how can we reduce the performance of the interactive grid report. For example, when you are having large number of records in your interactive grid, on the time of page load it will take some more time to load the entire records. Usually interactive grid provide one option called as lazy loading, but this is an alternative method. uh, it will be useful to some other kind of business scenarios. Okay, so first thing is I am going to create a interactive grid region. Interactive grid, type a SQL query. I am going to copy this code and paste it in the SQL query section. Okay, click save. Now I am going to run this page. You can see the interactive grid take almost 7.65 milliseconds. So what I am going to do, like I am going to add one more JavaScript function. Copy this. Going to paste it, initialize JavaScript function. Click OK. Save. In case if you click enable this option, this will take some time. If you disable it, and it will automatically show it. I am going to give the region as 450. Click save. Refresh. Now you can able to see it takes just 2.92 milliseconds. Now you can able to see load rows, more rows button also. When you click it here, automatically it will display the next set of 80 records. Okay, so I hope it will be useful to you. Thank you so much for watching.